Hey everyone, welcome back to the Den Fireworks. Today's video, we are doing the Ultramind series by Hammer and Anvil. These were some effect cakes I could not wait to see. I threw them right in on my first Hammer and Anvil order from Queen City Fireworks because I'm always looking for more minds. And I'm tossing around the idea of a pyro musical at an event that you can't use any ProLine. So these would be the perfect ones to turn into single shots and turn into mines. Each one of these cakes is 9 mines, all the same effect. And we have Ultra Mines, red, white, glitter, and blue. Okay, can't go wrong with a red, white, and blue mine combo. We've got Brocade with white and green glitter. We have red, green, and blue crackling. And, of course, for the Crackle fan, we have 9-shot silver Crackle. Each one of these do have the pyro blueprint. And, like this one, oh, I didn't expect that. We do actually have 2 different tubes in this on rows 1, 2, and 3. Tube A is white glitter and red mine, so that looks like it's right and left. And tube B is white glitter and blue mine. So we do have less blue in this one. And we've got that it fires across, across, and across. So let's see if these other ones have 2 different tubes as well. Oh, we do. So tube A on this one is Brocade with green glitter mines, and tube B is Brocade with white glitter mine. So we can break that apart and choose which one we want as well. And once more, A is on the right and left, B is in the middle. But look at those mine pictures. That looks nice too with all those stars coming up. So for this one, we have tube A, red crackle palm mine, tube B, green crackle palm mine, and there's a third one that tube C is blue crackle palm mine. So we actually have 3 different colored mines we can pull out of this one. And the Crackle, all tubes, silver delayed Crackle mine. Right up my alley. Now, for a 9-shot cake, these look like they have really nice sized bores on them, looking through the wrap. And yeah, we take that top off. You can see those are nice big tubes on all 9 of these shots. And that plug is pretty high, so we should get a really nice mine effect out of these. So let's take these out back. I'm going to do them one at a time. We're going to start with red, white, and blue, go on to the Brocade, go on to the red, green, and blue crackling, and then silver Crackle. I'm thinking these will be great ones to cut apart, add mine effects, and let's see how high they go, how wide the mines spread. And, you know, if I did good tracking down this Hammer and Anvil, I know I'm really excited to see it. Red, white, blue, Ultramine. Brocade with white green. Red, green, blue with crackling. Silver Crackle.